Alright, we're at Sunset Crater National Monument, and this is part of the lava field. Rock's crazy looking. It's like giant sponges. Look at the side of the mountain. It's just barren. Did y'all see that?
What?
The side of the mountain over there is just barren.
Wow.
It's like it got scorched.
Yeah. Wow.
You fall down up out here, you're
Yeah.
gonna get some cuts. Sunset Crater Volcano is the youngest volcano in the San Francisco volcanic field. Its eruption around the year 1085 displaced area residents, buried homes, and radically altered the landscape below O'Leary Peak. People who lived in the area told stories of the eruption that survived to the present day. And modern-day residents of this volcano field include their descendants, as well as the descendants of immigrants from around the world. The site was made into a national monument by President Herbert Hoover on May 26, 1930, to protect its geological formations. In 1990, the name was changed to Sunset Crater Volcano National Monument. Today, the monument occupies 3,040 acres and is surrounded by the Coconino National Forest. That is beautiful. I am on the Arizona Trail. I don't know how far it runs, I have to look it up, but I'm trying to, this trail was right at the campsite, and I just got up early and thought I'd ride down here, see what was here, but this part of the trail is a little tricky because it's real sandy. And I got on the trail at Highway 89. And I'm in the Picture Canyon section. And I wanted to ride down to the railroad tracks. So I got to go this way. Well, this is gonna be fun coming back up. Oh, enough clearance for that. Morning. Hey, bub. Hey, puppy. What you doing? Hey, bub. Hey, bub. How you doing? Good morning. You gonna follow me? This trail's actually pretty fun when you're not in the sand. this is something I've never seen. This is a football, well, it's not really a football field, but the yard's painted like a football field. It's like AstroTurf. And it's like his house is sitting on the football field. That's pretty cool. It's not a bad view for a morning ride. Completely missed the trail. But if I wouldn't have missed it, I wouldn't have seen that dude's football yard. What's up, Cal? Coming through. Coming through. I'm okay. You okay? No wonder I couldn't find the trail this morning. Oh, this is creepy. Well, that saved me from having to cross the road.